Bam. Just got me a little update. 550 bucks. Custom built. Had to wait 3 fucking weeks for this shit. But it's just a little, my last little upgrade that I needed for my car stereo. Should be good. What the fuck with it no more. What we got here? GP audio. I was gonna go with that other fucking big place that builds alternators, but they're in Florida and they got hit with the fucking hurricane, so I ain't trying to fucking wait. I don't give a shit. God damn, this shit's fucking heavy, man. Shit. Damn, that fucking son of a bitch. Damn, that's just fucking heavy. Custom built for my ride because nobody had them, so couldn't order them and get it sent, so I had to fucking have it built. Took them 3 weeks, which is not bad, I guess. And it said 4 to 6 weeks on the website, but damn. Yeah, it's looking pretty fucking tough there. God damn, look at the fucking screw on that motherfucker. Yeah, so that's it. Should be the last piece I need for how loud I'm getting. Should not have to fuck with it no more. It's pretty fucking beefy though. Weighs good fucking. It's pretty fucking heavy. Custom built.